In this video, what I'll do is show you how to get the 5-number summary and generate a box plot all on your CAS. So I want you to try these exercises here, these 9D exercises with or by hand, but I want you to be able to check your answers using your CAS. Alright, so the first thing we might do just this question here. It's the one that we started with. So we'll do this question and check how we went with drawing this box plot. So first things first, let's go to lists and spreadsheet. Now to do lists and spreadsheet, what you want to do is give this column here a name. Okay, this data set doesn't really have any context. So what we're going to do is just call it an X variable. Now you're not allowed to use X just by itself. So we're just going to call a column XX. All right. Now all you do is you put the data set in. So you're going to go down the column, putting the data set in, and it doesn't matter if the data is out of order. 5, 9, 4, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 7, 12, 2, 3, and 5. Alright, so the next thing we'll do is I usually put my cursor at the top of the next column where I want the 5-number summary to go. And what I'm going to do is click Menu, 4, 1, 1. Alright, so let's just go through that again and I'll tell you the headings. So it's statistics, we want stat calculations, and we want what's called the univariate or one variable statistics. Okay, now the first thing the calc asks you is how many kind of columns in your spreadsheet do you have that you want me to do the one variable statistics on? And it's just one. It's this column here, so we're going to go the default one. The next thing it says is, okay, where is the list? All right, and what you do is you click and make sure that this goes down, and you notice that this is the column that we want. We want XX. Okay. This asks whether it's in a frequency table, which it isn't, and it won't be in Year 10 anyway. And first result column. So this says, where do you want the result? It's going to put it in column C, which is fine. It's not perfect. I would rather it in B, but column C is fine. Okay, so we're going to go and tab our way through until we go to OK and we hit OK. All right, so you can see here that it starts drawing the list of summary statistics in column C. All right, so all you do is you go down to here, and you can see here that we've got the min. So it's found the min for us, which is 2. Let's just see whether this was right or not. Then it's found the Q1, 3.5. Found the median, 5. Found the Q3, 6.5. And found the max, which is 12. Now, interestingly, you'll need to note that it doesn't give you the upper and the lower fences. Okay, so you need to do those yourself, but I'll show you something else in a sec. So that's the one variable statistics. So menu 411, I think it was, will give you the summary statistics or the 5-number summary. It also gives you a few other bits and pieces. That's the mean, and that's what they call the standard deviation there, but more on that later. Okay, so now let's do a box plot. So what we're going to do is put a new window in. So we'll go Control and Doc, and what we want is data and statistics, so 5. All right, so you can see here it's picked up that there is some data that it wants to plot. So what we're going to do is you hit Tab, and that allows you to add a variable on the x-axis. So we want to add this variable here. Now it's done something unusual. It's defaulted to a dot plot. So all we do is we go to Menu, and we go 1 for plot type, and we change it to a box plot. Okay, and you can see here that what it's actually done is generated a box plot for us. Now we can go to Menu, Analyze. No, you can't do that. I think all you do, yeah, for this, all you do is you use the like this trackpad thing here to hover over the different parts. So you can see there that we've got the min, the Q1, the median, the Q3. This value here is 9. Remember, that's the next highest value that's within the upper fence. So that's 9. And then what was the outlier? It was 12. Okay, so that's how you do a box and whisker plot or a box plot on the CAS. So yeah, we've got the two things that we'll need to be aware of. Okay, how to get the one variable statistics and how to then generate a box plot on the data. All right, good luck with that.